Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to convert any file to JPEG here in Adobe Acrobat. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Adobe Acrobat, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Converting a PDF from Adobe Acrobat into JPEG is a simple process that can be useful for a lot of reasons. Once you are logged into your Adobe Acrobat on the web version, or you are using the Adobe Acrobat as an application on your computer, just hover to the documents that you are trying to convert it to JPEG. Right? In my case, I'm going to be using this file. It is a PNG file. All right, and from here, all we have to do is go to the three dots icon in the upper right corner so we can convert it to JPEG without any problem. You see that? It's going to be print, download, and more. All right. All I have to do, you have two options. Since if you're already installed the desktop app, you can click this to open up. We're going to do that later. But for now, you have this option that says download this file. All right, so you see there is an option here that says other file formats. You see like a Word, like a PowerPoint, or Excel, and an image, which is including the JPEG. All right, but the thing is, before you can convert it, you need to subscribe or upgrade your current LAN to the Pro subscription. Otherwise, if you click that, you can choose the image quality. Is it max quality, high, low, and minimum quality? And from here, all I have to do is click the download as JPEG. But again, I told you that you have to subscribe to the Adobe Acrobat Pro. All right, this is going to be so that you can access the full potential of your Adobe Acrobat without any limitations. All you have to do is click the upgrade now button. All right, because using the free trial will now let you convert it to JPEG. Now, in these option earlier, if you click the open in desktop app, all right, you would be forwarded here. This is the desktop application for Adobe Acrobat. And again, instead of going to the right corner, go to the menu here and click the save as, which is going to be shift plus control plus S. All right, and from here you can save it to your computer. You can convert it to different type file format, which is going to be JPEG. All right. And from here, just have to choose the file folder and click on OK. Click on save, save as type, and that's going to be JPEG. All right. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.